Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the base roof rack fit for the Toyota Tundra with a bare roof. This is the generation starting in 2007 and going all the way through 2022. So this is the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. Starts with the WingBar Evo load bars. The WingBar Evo load bars are available in both silver or also in black. And here you can see the cross section of the WingBar Evo load bars. It is a box beam construction, so it's very stiff and strong. There's also a slot on the top that allows you to attach certain T-track type accessories into the bar rather than wrapping around the bar. Next, we have the Evo clamp foot pack. And so the Evo clamp foot pack is the component that will interface between the bars and the fitting kit. So the fitting kit includes the contoured rubber bases as well as the rubberized metal door frame brackets. Let me go ahead and do a quick assembly on that. So I'll just take off the outer panel, and here you can see how simple it is to just insert and snap into place the rubberized metal door frame bracket. And then when you flip it upside down, you press on the rubber bases, and that'll give you a very protective and conforming fit to the roof on the vehicle. So included with the fitting kit is a detailed illustrated guide to tell you exactly the position of each of the base pads and rubberized metal brackets. Also, this guide will show you the exact placement of the crossbars on the cab of the truck as well. Everything is clearly defined, and also all this is backed up with additional instructions as well as another video that we've produced that's linked in the description to where you can see the complete assembly and installation of a WingBar Evo base roof rack system. So next I wanted to show you, as you're attaching this to the vehicle, Thule includes a specialty wrench, and that wrench will engage into the fastener, and as you tighten, it clicks to guarantee that you're fully tightened and not over or under tightened to the roof. So another feature to ensure a professional fit to the vehicle. So I'll put the cover back on. Out of the box, this cover includes a plastic plug. The plastic plug can be replaced with a metal lock cylinder so that you can have a higher level of security locking the covers, preventing access to the fastener. So these lock cylinders are sold in match sets, starting with a 2-pack. It's advisable to get a 4-pack for a base roof rack. And if you have other lockable accessories, of course, you can get a 6-pack and an 8-pack, and even match more if you need to match more, so that all of your lockable Thule accessories could potentially work off of the same key. So those are all the key aspects of this Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2007 through 2022 Toyota Tundra with a bare roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for complete details, a direct link to this pre-configured roof rack system, and thanks for watching.